Very good evening to all. Couple of things before we go ahead. Uh, right now, the market is very range bound. If you notice, India VIX is at around basically hovering around 11 to 13%. Sorry, 13, which is a very low range. So this actually India VIX, there are two ways. In fact, there are some strategies which I will probably make a small video how to trade just looking at India VIX with simple strategies on intraday. Uh, until India VIX may move above 14 levels or so, we will probably see this type of a range bound rally. Number two, if you notice, market has also confused. If you look at the charts, uh, the the wicks of each of these candles are very long. So basically, the buyers tend to come, and there, if you see, there are sellers which are coming. Every candle has big wicks, and only at couple of places the body of the candle is big. Like at the last 10 minutes, I think Bank Nifty, we can see this kind of a candle. And in fact, here, uh, the pattern which it got created was a very range boundish kind of a pattern. We were expecting somewhere when this pattern was going on, we thought there is a possibility that positivity can come. Here, however, we saw market was not able to, every time it moves here, the last the last rally, it went up, but then could not sustain. It just started moving down, and we could see a very big bear run in the last hour or so. Till then, it was very difficult to trade because market was very range bound. Only this rally came only after about 3 o'clock or so, and if you notice, Bank Nifty has only moved about 200 points, and in fact, just about 150 points, almost half of the day. Not just half of the day, almost 70% of the day. It's only in the last 10 minutes or 20 minutes there was a rally which was down, and basically market is testing the patience. And here, if we were patient enough, retained our capital without trading till, then we could have taken huge puts here and made profit here. In fact, if you notice, FinNifty has made a very massive rally. The opening was somewhere at 19,640. It moved up to 19,671, and then the low made was 19,570. So a good rally from uh, Nifty futures, whereas when we see Nifty has not traded much. And looking at the option chain data, we can clearly see that there is huge pressure on the call side. 19400, though there are big writers, option writers, and please understand, uh, we are option buyers. Basically, we are spending maybe about 20,000 or 10,000 rupees to buy, whereas an option writer would be utilizing for every lot. He might be utilizing almost 50,000 above. So why would he allow the market to go against his favor? And if you see, the other reason why the market has been range bound is every day almost there is an expiry. Tuesday expiry is we have what do you say, Nifty futures, or we call it as sorry, Fin Nifty, and then on Wednesday it is mid cap. Thursday is Bank Nifty and Nifty, and on Friday also there is Sensex. So many expiries. So If you remember, we had mentioned earlier also, we also are, I'm sure we all understand and agree, m- most of the big players only write either the calls or puts. This open interest is, of course, there is a buyer and seller, but imagine a person who's shorting, utilizing almost about 2 2 lakh capitals and getting small term gains. So why will he allow the market to go up? So we will see definitely again a range bound day. I would be very happy if market opens a gap down, so that it is coming moving out of the range, and we might possibly see some good rally. The other thing I want to bring to your attention is, if you notice the chart, it has definitely formed a trend line where it formed a pattern where it wants to slowly move up. So tomorrow we might see a very big move, unless, and we will be looking forward for this moves. For us, no trade zone will be until 19360, and even if we go long about 19440, we would go with lesser quantities and we would definitely look to trail or stop loss. Whereas on the bear side, we will wait for the market to move below 19360 levels or so for initial targets of 19320, and other targets would be somewhere at 19300 and 19200 also. So possibly a great rally tomorrow. We also have some stocks in radar. If IRCTC futures moves below 651, then we can possibly short this for target of 647 or so. And Kotak Mahindra Bank also, if you notice, has been falling huge down. And this could be, of course, a good opportunity for somebody who wants to accumulate this Kotak Mahindra Bank in equities. And for us, if the futures moves below 1,760, then we might target targets of 1,755. And on the option chain data, Bank Nifty 19, 1760 put above 18 may look at targets of 20 plus. Uh, Lupin, of course, has been moving upwards in a good trend, uh, but as you see, this also has been very involved. Maybe so Lupin is looking positive. We only can hope that market should not range, and we should see some big rally. Meanwhile, friends, if you have any queries regarding any stock in particular, you may also share it on the comment. We will definitely answer you on the same. Zeal Entertainment, I would only look to go long once the price moves above 275 or so, whereas I'm more towards the bearish side. Uh, Once Zeal futures move below 232, then you can comfortably look to give a target of 270 to 80 or so. So the other stocks which I have in radar is Syngene and Bsoft. Bsoft I'm looking to sell below 462, and our stop loss would be always small. We will try to manage positions, and target could be around 4. The other stock which I'm looking at is Infosys and Persistent. Most IT stocks are in radar for tomorrow. We will look to short if persistence gives some bit of a rally, or tries to move up, and then can join us in the next trading sessions. I'm also looking at Sun TV, Sun TV futures. We're looking to short this once the price moves below 540. We might see a very good rally. We might see market to test almost about 533 also. So thank you all. The only key for making profit in is to be uh, playing safe, looking for the right trade setup, because if you see market has absolutely no much of a moves momentum. So one can trade based on proper strategies and make profit. If you are an option writer, along with option writing, you can look for bear uh, bearish spread, where because the market is still weak, and I might possibly look for 44,100 put. If this moves about 250 or so, then I'm thinking of going at this in huge bulk quantities. Thank you all, and God bless you.